Hey guys, it's been a hot minute. We are back, and we are back out on the water and back with a vengeance. So you might notice I'm on this ski by myself, but we've got a new addition. Look at Kai over there. Hey babe, wave. Rocking the Jet Tech glasses there. Mate, so we have a new addition to the family. It's yeah, another Wake Pro. So hope to bring some more content for you guys. It is just a luxurious day out here in the base. Absolute glass off. Expected northerlies. It's a glass off. So we are going to just cruise up the island and see what adventures we can come across. Hopefully you might see some whales, some marine life. Loving it, loving it. All right guys, we'll check you out up the island. Yoo-hoo! Oh my god. Holy crap.